Welcome to our tutorial on the translation command. In the Transformation Features toolbar, our first command is the translation command. CATIA asks us if we really want to keep the transformation specifications. Let's click Yes. Under Vector Direction, we've got three options. The first is Direction Distance. Let's right-click and choose the Z-axis. For our distance, let's enter a value of 10 millimeters and click OK. Let's double-click our translation. Next is the point-to-point vector definition option. I'll select this point as my start point. And here is my end point. Click OK, and as you can see, the part has moved. Let's double-click on our translation again. Lastly, we can select our vector definition by coordinates. We simply enter the values on the various axes, 10 millimeters in the Y direction, and 10 millimeters in the Z direction. Tab and OK. And this concludes our tutorial on the translation command.